In this video, we bring you a great beginner two-step move for country two-step. What's up, gang? Brian B. and Miss Megan. We are professional country dancers from Louisville, Kentucky. We also run a great website called West Coast Swing Online, so we put out a lot of awesome videos. We have an awesome beginner two-step move. Let's go ahead and demo this move. If you're a complete beginner, we have a complete beginner tutorial. We'll link that up in the corner, so if this is too much for you, go back and watch that video. Then you can jump to this one. But this is what it looks like. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Don't worry, we're gonna break down all of the basic footwork for this. We need to back up because we need a runway. So we're gonna dance quick, quick, slow with a prep. Quick, quick, slow, and I'm gonna prep Miss Megan off the track with my body, almost like a promenade position to a ballroom dance. That's gonna set up an outside turn. She's gonna step, turn, and walk, walk. I'm gonna change this hand as it comes to my face. Quick, quick, slow, slow. So if we quickly break down the footwork real quick, I'll do my footwork, Miss Megan will do hers. We do the prep, quick, quick, slow, we do the prep. She has an outside turn. She steps and turns and walks, yes? So to get to that sweetheart position, we have quick, quick, slow, there's our prep, step, turn, walk, walk. And I've changed my hand into her hand. So from here, if you can look and see, I'm on the index finger side of her hand. By the time I get to the next basic, I need to be on the pinky side of that hand. So as we're walking this basic, quick, quick, slow with a prep, I need to flip this to the pinky side of her hand. If you can see that, I'm on the pinky side. So a prep means she's prepared to turn by standing on her left foot. Now I'm going to take this over her head for quick, quick, slow, slow, 2 times. So if we look at that footwork, we've prepped for slow. She's going to turn quick, quick, slow, and she's going to continue down line slow. At this point, I've kind of created like the pizza waiter thing with my right hand. I'm going to walk through that window for quick, quick, slow, slow. So from here, once I get to that second slow, let's go back to the pizza window. We're connected, my left foot's free, Megan's right foot's free. We walk through quick, quick, slow. Now I'm gonna take this right hand, I'm gonna send it slightly to the right to prepare Megan to spin again. So she's forward on her left foot, she's connected in this hand. I'm gonna take this over her head and down to my left hand as I rock back. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and then we're gonna continue down the floor. So if we look at the whole thing from the other side, let's back ourselves in the corner. We have quick, quick, slow, there's our prep. Outside turn with a slow. I'm switching this to the pinky side. Quick, quick, slow with a prep. I take this over her head. 2 times, slow, slow. I start to walk through. We have tension in the hand. Quick, quick, slow. There's my prep. I take this down and over her head. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and we're off to the races. Your final time all the way through. Quick, quick, slow with a prep. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. And the final tip I'm going to give you guys, when we are at the very end of the pattern, quick, quick, slow, slow. This is the easy part. And if this is all hard, go back to our beginner video. We'll link it up. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. As I head through, quick, quick, slow, I'm ahead of Megan. If I keep walking, this is not going to work. So at this point, I have to rock back and stay in place. Quick, quick, slow. So Megan gets ahead of me. Then I can walk with her slow, and we're off to the races. So if you guys don't know us and you're just coming across us, we run an awesome YouTube channel. You're on it right now. We teach West Coast Swing and Country Two-Step. We're two-step dancers at heart. So head to our website. I'm going to link up the corner. We have a two-step section on our website. Sign up with an email address on the homepage of our site on westcoastswingonline.com. You'll be on our email list. We send out great tips for swing and country dancers worldwide. If you have any questions, click the link in the description below. Send us an email, brian@westcoastswingonline.com, and we will see you on a dance floor soon.